Welcome to the news update on AAU TV here at the Association of African Universities. I am Isabella Tetahinakwa. Upcoming are the headlines. CRISPR gene editing transformed body fat into energy-burning brown fat, which helps mice avoid weight gain and diabetes. Eye tracking mask can be used to monitor the reaction of individuals to what they see. Now the news in detail. Researchers at Harvard University have used clustered regularly interspaced short palindromic repeats CRISPR gene editing techniques to turn white fat cells, the cells filled with lipid that makes up fatty deposits, into energy-burning brown fats. These modified cells allowed mice to prevent weight gain and diabetes while on a high-fat diet, and ultimately could be used to treat obesity-related disorders. Yu Huan-Seng and her colleagues at Harvard University used CRISPR to target a protein gene called UCP1, which basically converts chemical energy into heat. The resulting cells expressed about the same volume of UCP1 as typical brown fat cells and had more mitochondria than traditional white fat cells, and was called human brown-like cells or humble cells. Seng and her collaborators transplanted either white fat or humble cells into mice in a second part of the study to have a weakened immune system that would not resist human tissue, and were then fed a high-fat diet. The mice given white fat cells gained weight over a 12-week cycle, while the mice transplanted with humble cells gained much less weight. This technique could theoretically be used, according to Seng, to treat people afflicted by obesity and metabolic diseases, and an alternative for people who cannot lose weight with diet and exercise only. A small amount of person's white fat may be removed, transformed into brown-like fat, and then replanted. Moving on, an eye-tracking mask created from two fabric-based electrodes by Trisha Andrew and her colleagues at the University of Massachusetts Amherst can be used to monitor the wearer's pulse and also be used to research people's reaction to what they see for up to 8 hours. This could make health monitoring useful, especially for sleep. In an initial trial, Andrew and her colleagues tested their mask called Chesma on 3 volunteers and are now using it for overnight sleep trials in wider numbers of people, alongside other sleeping monitoring garments that are being created by researchers, including smart pajamas that can track sleep posture and respiration. According to Christian Halls, a Swiss researcher at ETH Zurich, while wrist-based exercise trackers monitor heart rates, this has the ability to incorporate tracking heart rate and eye movement in a single monitoring unit, which can offer innovative insights into medical problems that can only occur intermittently in a human. The mask can also be useful for human-computer interactions to tell the screen quadrant the eyes are drawn to or fixed on. The researchers hope this will be generalized so that users can interact with the computer using their own eyes in the future. This is the end of the news update. Before we go, a recap on the headlines. CRISPR gene editing transformed body fat into energy-burning brown fat, which helps mice avoid weight gain and diabetes. Also, eye tracking masks can be used to monitor the reactions of individuals to what they see. Thank you for watching. My name is Isabella Tetahinakwa. Do enjoy the rest of our programs.